Hello and welcome to another Canadian channel feature. This video is a part of corporate government section. Please feel free to watch other sections of MBA 101 segment. In this video, we're going to be looking at a concept called the transaction cost economics. The theory of transaction cost economics, also called a social cost theory, is a contractual concept developed by British economist Ronald Coase in 1937 and refined by American economist Oliver Williamson in 1975. The theory addresses the importance of companies or firms in a market economy. It proposes that hierarchical organizations like firms may distribute resources more efficiently than an imperfect or limited bargaining system like a market. To carry out a market transaction, it is necessary to discover who it is that one wishes to deal with, to negotiate transaction leading up to a bargain, to draw up the contract, to undertake the inspection needed to make sure that the terms of the contract are being observed, and so on. More succinctly, transaction costs are: Number 1, search and information cost. Number 2, bargaining and decision cost. Number 3, policing and enforcement cost. This is another topic that's not explained well in most academic books or videos on the internet. I had to really dig deep into the original research article by Ronald Coase and then gain an understanding. But once understood, the topic and the results is quite interesting and useful. I promise, stay along with me and you too will benefit from this concept. Ronald Coase gives the origin of the nature of the firms as a course in the organization of the business unit, which he taught in 1932. He noted that there are inconveniences of market transaction, but if transactions are not governed by the price system, there has to be an organization. The object of a business organization is to reproduce the conditions of a competitive market for the factors of production within the firm at a lower cost than the actual market. But if an organization exists to reduce cost, then why is there any market transaction at all? Coase gave two reasons. Number 1, the cost of organizing additional transaction rise with scale and are equated with the cost of additional market transaction. Number 2, the organization of bigger firms may not reproduce the effect of market condition. Too much academic gibberish, eh? Alright, let me explain this using an example and then you too will have a eureka moment. Remember my previous video where I talk about my business iHappy Novelties? The products that we sold mainly were light-up t-shirts, hats, which were also sold at a store called Party City in Canada. Initially, iHappy Novelties was a small company, basically sole proprietors. We did not have expenses such as search and information costs by agents, bargaining and sourcing costs, and did not have any corporate lawyers review our paperwork. My friends and I basically visited Alibaba website. Trade secret revealed here. Whereas Party City had all those costs and their products needed to factor in those costs, making their products expensive. This is the main basis of transaction cost economics. Now further on, once the same product started appearing and public started noticing it, Walmart decided to try selling them. Now due to the sheer size of Walmart purchase power, they used this as bargaining costs with supplier to drive the price down. We no longer could compete with Walmart and decided to move on into another product. I hope this made sense. Please feel free to leave me a comment if you still have issues understanding this concept, and I will try my best to explain this further. Any constructive criticism is also welcome. As always, thank you for investing your time in watching this video. I hope I was able to add some value to your learning. See you on another video. This is Canadian Channel signing off. Peace.